Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix SIM card showing emergency calls only on your Android phone. So you may notice this from the top here. When you pull down, it says emergency calls only. So usually this indicates there is an issue with either a SIM card or phone service or software, any of these issues, and we're going to show you how to fix them. So very first thing is you want to go ahead and make sure that you have coverage in the zone. Sometimes some areas that may not have coverage will have no option for phone service, which is the reason why it says emergency calls only. So try to go to a different location. Now after that, just simply pull down the top menu, put your phone on airplane mode briefly, and then turn it off. And it does a quick network refresh. Now, if that didn't fix this for you, the next thing you want to go ahead and do is basically check your settings out to make sure your SIM is turned on. So in your settings, you go to connections and then go to SIM manager. And in the SIM manager, make sure you have a SIM card showing up. If it is showing off, just simply turn it off and then turn it on to refresh it. And if it's already off, make sure it is turned on as well. Now after that, we're going to go back and we're going to do one more thing here is if we have a physical SIM card, you want to remove that and reinsert it back in. So locate it, either it might be on the top, bottom, or the side. Just look for the SIM cutout, and then you're going to take a SIM ejector tool or a paper clip or basically a pin or even a earring. Just simply something that can fit in that little hole for the SIM tray where you can just push it in. It'll pop the SIM card out. And then we want to verify a couple things when we pop it out is that make sure the SIM isn't damaged, broken, and everything looks good. And then reinsert it back in and then make sure it sits flat and just let it resync. And then we're going to restart the phone. So you're going to pull on the top menu, click on restart, power, and then restart, or you can use a volume down or side button or any of the buttons to restart as well. And it will restart it and then resync the SIM. Now, if it's still not working, the next thing we want to go ahead and do is go into our setting. And this time we're going to go to general management. And then we're going to tap on reset, and then we're going to do a reset of mobile network settings, and then click on reset settings. This will reset the mobile network settings. It will not delete any of your data, so go ahead and do that. After you have did that and still not working, you want to go back again, starting from the main settings, and make sure you're connected to the internet, as we need to update the phone if you don't have cellular service. So we're going to our settings and then go to software update and check for any new update. If there's a new update, it's going to check for it and you want to update it until it says your software is up to date. Now, if you did all of this and you're still having issues with it, you want to go ahead and contact your carrier. Things like checking your account, making sure there's no outages and everything is good with your account is something the carrier can only check. And if you contact them, they can actually look into your account and see what is the reason you may not be getting your phone service or cellular signal on your device. Lastly, the thing to keep in mind is that make sure if you're using a SIM card, especially a new one that you're using on a phone, that phone is carrier unlocked to use on that SIM card. Sometimes it happens if you're switching carriers, the previous carrier might have locked it to their network only. So you want to get it unlocked or get an unlocked phone that'll work on that SIM card. And I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks, and thanks for watching.